Namaskar. This is CA Himakant Nandavarpu from Him Academy, and right now it's 4:42 a.m. And over the last 1 week, the most frequently asked question to me, why don't you sleep? Is it a good thing to stay awake throughout? What about your health? What about your work-life balance? And a lot of questions. My answer is simple and straightforward. If something gets you really excited, I'm repeating it, if something gets you really excited, then that's powerful than the most dangerous drug in the world. I'm summarizing it. If something gets you really excited, then that's powerful than the most dangerous drug in the world. So when I say this, it's difficult for many people to find what they want in life. They're constantly exploring, they're constantly trying to find that one thing which is worth investing their life for. 99% of the population in the entire planet would never find that. They would stick to something which is via media. They're not sure if that is the right thing they wanted to do. They're not sure if she's the right girl they wanted to marry. So very few people would actually end up finding what they truly want to do. And there is no particular, I would say, hierarchy here. I'm not saying entrepreneurship is the greatest thing. I'm not saying job is good, a job is bad. It's nothing linked to that. It's all about what is it that matters to you, and it's difficult to find. It's not that easy, right? So the moment you find something, the moment you find someone, I would strongly recommend not to leave any stone unturned. So this has been a part of my 30-year strategy, and I have been working on it over the last 10 years. And thanks to this COVID breakdown, I'm getting a chance to reflect and focus only on things which are there in my head, because there is complete disconnection between the rest of the aspects now. So this is proving to be quite innovative, and this is proving to be extremely productive this period. We are able to do and achieve a lot in this breakdown, and now that it has got extended, I'm sure we'll be rolling out an app, we'll be rolling out a website, and we'll be a full-fledged transformational company. I'm sure I will be the very few COVID companies. So the company started at the beginning, and by the end of the lockdown, we will be able to come out with a specific product with some decent sales and revenue. Okay, so that we're working on it. So when you have to do this, let's not have some imaginary things. If you're talking about 9 to 5, 9 to 5 would generally work for a regular job. But if you want to work out something, if you want to start a own company, so even 5 to 9 wouldn't be enough. So whatever you do, you have to ensure that in terms of work done, because it doesn't, see, you should not stop because time is over. You should only stop because the work is over. That is how exactly is the difference between an employee and a founder. So when you're trying to do something which is very important in your life, don't bring in any excuses. Of course it does affect your health in the short term. You can definitely get a detox done or do something. It would not work for long term. Of course I can't do it for years, for days, weeks, probably a couple of months, maybe I'll work it out. And you can alternatively balance with some meditation, yoga, whatever is convenient for you. But the point is, if you identify that, if you really identify what you wanted to do in life, if that has significant meaning in life, so don't stop, don't think too much, just do, just do, keep going. And by the time you come out, you know, that day everybody will look at it as that overnight success. But these are all those nights when you have a bundle of night overs, then that overnight success will come. Hope this works. Stay tuned, and thank you. And by the way, today at 9 p.m, we are having a webinar on how to improve your concentration, focus, and willpower. We are looking only for serious aspirants, because I don't have time to waste, and no nonsense approach. We have done a lot of free webinars, and what has happened in free webinars is, when you don't pay attention. So we are not super convinced with the idea of doing something for free. Now we are just kept a nominal token fee, so that only serious people are coming in. So if you want, you can look at the description on my Facebook or Instagram, and can join me for this exclusive live webinar on improving your concentration, focus, and willpower. Thank you.